Crystal clear vision, 5 drinks to supercharge your vision. Carrot juice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, which is essential for vision. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of the retina, the light-sensitive layer of the eye, and prevents night blindness and dry eyes. Carrot juice also contains antioxidants that can fight free radicals and inflammation in the eye. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are one of the best sources of anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that can enhance vision and protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Anthocyanins can improve blood circulation in the eye, strengthen the capillaries, and prevent cataracts and glaucoma. Blueberry juice also contains vitamin C, which can support the collagen structure of the eye and prevent infections. Spinach juice. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that can benefit your eyes in many ways. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that can filter harmful blue light and protect the macula, the central part of the retina. Spinach juice also contains vitamin E, which can prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help your eyes heal from infections and injuries. Turmeric also contains curcumin, a compound that can modulate the expression of genes related to eye diseases and prevent diabetic retinopathy, a condition that damages the blood vessels in the retina. Green tea. Green tea is a popular drink that can improve your overall health and wellness, including your vision. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that can protect the eye cells from damage and reduce the risk of glaucoma and diabetic eye disease.